Hey guys, welcome back to another troubleshooting guide. Today we're tackling a common issue in Windows 11 or in Windows 10 where the Windows Security Center service can't be started. This can leave your system vulnerable, so let's jump right into the solutions. So for method 1, we're gonna be modifying the registry. So for step 1, first we'll dive in the registry editor to make some changes. To do this, press the Windows plus R and run the dialog. There we go. Then, step 2, type regedit and press enter. This opens the registry editor to make sure it runs as administrator for full access. So over here, go to regedit. So step 3, in the registry editor, navigate to HK local machine, like so. Go to system, current control set, like so. Current control set, services, and finally, SVC. So we're just gonna find it down here. There we go. Then for step 4, we're gonna find the key code start. Double click on it to modify the value. So we start. So normally, and for step 5, we're gonna change the value from 4 to 2. So this sets the service to automatic startup. So normally it will be set to the value to 4. Normal. So now we're gonna set the value to 2, then click OK. Like so, to save changes. And for step 7, we need to restart the computer to apply these changes. So for method 2, we need to adjust the service properties. Step 1 is another way to resolve this issue is by configuring the service properties directly. So for step 1, we need to open the services, like so. Have it. Then step 3, scroll down until you find the security center. Right click on it and select properties. So we're going to find the security center. Security center. Right here. Right click on it, click on properties. Then for step 4, in the properties window, navigate to startup type drop down menu. So we're here, the automatic here, or the startup type. Then step 5, choose automatic delayed start from the list. So it's already here. It's automatic delayed start. Then step 6 is to click apply and then click start to start the service if it's not already running. For me, it is already running, so the service status is running right here, so I cannot change the startup type. But as you can see, it is already on the automatic delayed start. So once you can just click this if it is off, then click on the automatic delayed start, then click on the start here, click apply, click OK. And there you have it. 2 methods to fix this issue where the Windows Security Center service can't be started in Windows 11 or 10. Be sure to follow these tips carefully and your system should be back to keeping you safe in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or other tech issues you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and happy computing.